Okay, so the first song we're going to learn is Happy Birthday. Okay, very easy to play because you only need one string. If you don't even know how to tune your guitar, you can still play it. You just pick it up and you're using one string, the bottom string, which is called an E string. And all you need to know is that 0 means open string. Okay, so when you look at the music, look at the numbers, 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. Now as you can see, that is a group of the first part of Happy Birthday. Okay, now 0, 0 means that I have an open hand and I just play the string by itself, and there's 2 of them, so I go 0, 0. And the 2 means I'm going to fret down on fret number 2. If you count these frets on the guitar, you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So if it says 0, 0, 2, you have to go to fret number 2, don't press on the metal, and with the fingertip, you squeeze on the fret and you play it, and you change the sound from an E. Okay, now if you did those 2 zeros again, and then a 0, you're going to start to play Happy Birthday. It says 5, 4 now. Now I don't care which finger you use. You can use the first finger the whole time, and go 5, 4, and you're sliding the finger down. 0, 0, the next section. Now I've divided this song into 4 sections. Next section is 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5, 7, 5. Now the 12th fret is right at the end of your guitar. Okay, right there, that's the 12th fret. We need to go all the way up to there to get a 12. It's 0, 0 again, but I'm going all the way up to the 12th fret. Then 9. Now, it's very hard to count when you're just first learning the guitar, but these dots are going to be very helpful. Usually you have a 5 and a 7 and a 9. You should have a dot here on the 9th fret. I don't on my guitar, but if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you can do the next bit. So 0, 0, 12, 9. Then 5 all the way, 4 and 2. If I put that together, I get, okay, I'm going down the whole time. And then 10, 10, 9, 5, 7, 5. So what do you have to do? You have to find the 10th fret. Now if I know the 12 is there, remember the 12th is at the end of the guitar, go down 2 frets to 11 and go down to 10, and you get 2 10s. It says 10, 10, 9. And then 5 and 7 is 2 frets up and back down to 5. Okay, so you put it all together, try and read it really smoothly, try and play it without stopping. Go for the 5, go to the 4. Okay, let's try and play it together. 0, 0, 0. Another 0. Don't do those zeros quickly. 2, and then a 0. Now 7, 5. There's a dot on the 5. There's a dot on the 7. There's a 7. Go down to the 5. Both on the dots. Then 0, 0. Another 0. All the way up to 12. And then 9 where the dot is. On your guitar, but not on mine. And then 5. Then down to 4. We're going down, down, down the whole time, all the way to 2. 10, 10, 9, 5, 7, 5. 10. 10. 9. 5. 7. 5. Okay, I hope you caught up. That's a very quick lesson. That's your first song. Let me know how you went in the comments. Thank you.